Hi, welcome back to Buy It Forever. So this is a ZX Spectrum. Got it off eBay. It's the ad was marked as faulty. It did show a screenshot, but it said that it was kind of not okay really. I guess it was flickering all over the place, but just managed to get a good picture. It's kind of very yellow as well. It cost about £38 on eBay, which isn't too bad, and actually I prefer it if it is faulty. So what we'll do, just have a quick look at what we've got. So straight away the keyboard panel, it's a bit beaten up on the edges. Might be able to paint that, I'm not sure. Some of these are a bit difficult to get a decent job. You can buy these, I think, for the other Spectrum I've got. I bought a new one, but I've looked for the same ad and I can't actually find that anywhere. So maybe they're not in stock anymore. So you've got a keyboard, it is generally a little bit filthy. And it's a 48K Spectrum. So you'd expect, look at the schematics. So look at the keyboard memory and see if show that. I think these flat flex, at least one of them had been, well, you know, sort of trimmed down, it appears. I'm not sure how good that is. I've ordered a new keyboard membrane for it. You reuse the rubber key mat, which actually seems okay. Just a bit of a clean up, that'll be fine. And by the way, it didn't come with any leads or manuals or anything, so but that doesn't matter to me. I've got a power supply. So in here straight away, I'll show you schematics in a minute, but it looks like the upper 32K memory is missing. CPU's there. This is looking at the board. It says 1982 issue 2. The ULA's there, which is great. The ROM, CPU's got the dead cockroach mod, I think that's called. So I've been on eBay again, got the 32K memory upgrade. I think it comes with some chips here and these chips. So it was advertised as a 48K, but I'm not entirely sure. Maybe it was just a 16K. They were quite rare actually. If it is, I'm not sure whether I do want to upgrade it. I just probably need to check out a bit more to see exactly what it is. And if anyone knows actually, would it say on the board anywhere? Currently, like I say, it says, Sinclair ZX Spectrum, copyright, 1982, issue 2. Unless there's something on that heatsink as well. But there could be. No, it just says issue 2. Yeah, so the board does look, in general, fairly clean. I don't think it's even been composite modded. Let's try to, let's not take that off yet. Like I say, I'm going to probably do a bit of a series on this. And this is just the first look at it, really. It did come with some software, a few tapes. I think the Horizons tape as well. I don't actually have a tape player I can play that off. I like in the sense of the old style cassette deck they used to get. They had the microphone on, sorry, the speaker on top and the old tape there and the buttons there. I've got like a Walkman. I might be able to try, but see what the levels are like. See if it'll like load anything eventually. That is. So there's quite a bit of testing to do on this. I've got a regulated power supply that I was using for the other one. So I guess with that I'm not gonna blow anything up. That's the main thing. I don't want to damage anything. So yeah, stand by for the rest of the parts where hopefully we'll see if this powers on, and when we get the memory upgrade, keyboard membrane, clean it up a bit, might have a fully functional ZX Spectrum again. I'm tempted to sort of just plug it in and see what we get anyway. And I might actually do that now. Okay, so I've just been dug out an RF lead, plug that in there to TV. Obviously, won't be seeing anything on TV yet because I haven't even tuned it. There's so many little cables here. So this is a power cable just to the, it's like a modern replacement power supply, just a lot more reliable, I think. It's less likely to fry anything, which is the main thing. So we're just gonna go auto tuning, I think, see what we get. So I don't actually know where, we'll find the signal on this. It's I think it said something like you have to be able to tune into BBC 2 back in the 80s. At least it did for the ZX81, I think. In fact, I have got the manual here, so I'll just put a cup of coffee down and, whoops, try not to move it. Well, there we go. Well, so menu to exit. Oh. So analog channel found 1. And yeah, if I just press menu to exit, it wants exit tuning, but exit. Where do you exit this? There you go. Okay. So yeah, we're getting copyright 1982 Sinclair Research, quite a lot of vertical bars down there. I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a lot of noise on the background noise there. That's not coming from the speaker on the Spectrum, but that is pretty good. I mean, the text is quite clear on that. It's not, there's no yellow background like I think on the picture on eBay it said it was like not really okay, yellow background. I need to get rid of that noise, or maybe it's just I've got the sound turned up. In fact, you don't actually, it's quite low anyway, but you don't actually need any volume set on this because obviously it's got the internal speaker. That might not be a problem. I would like to try and get rid of all this interference though, and that could just be because the sort of components are out of tolerance. It might just be the way it is. I've very little memory of the original back in the day, back in the 80s. So there's a few tuning, I think there's a few pots there. I might just look on the schematic, see what they do. They might have, might be able to improve it a little bit. In fact, I've got a screwdriver here, and I'll try just adjusting some of these without actually knowing what I'm doing. Might be a bit dodgy. I didn't do anything really. Obviously, I'll just put them back to where they were. It's not affecting the picture at all. Obviously, I think you meant to sort of plug it into a scope when you do all this. You even go right to the extremes, it's not doing anything. So yeah, probably needs a bit more research. Yeah, Sinclair research. So yeah, that's the end of this first video, I think. Like I said, there'll be a few updates on this. Oh, and it's just blanked out. So maybe that was to do with me messing around with it, I'm not sure. Yeah, okay, it's sort of heating up a bit. ULA is pretty hot. CPU is quite cool, so I'm going to put a heatsink on that as well. I'm not sure whether I'll do the composite mod. I might keep it as analog, just keep it as standard. Right, so that's the end of this video, and thanks for watching.